Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the highest hotel in the world. The Ritz-Carlton Hong Kong. First of all, I'm going to do room tour. This is the bathroom. That's the TV. That's the kids' bed, and that's the grown-ups' bed. Our room is on the 112th floor. We have an amazing view of the Hong Kong island in the sea. This is the desk, and we're going to celebrate someone's birthday. Watch to the end of the video to see whose birthday it is. Our hotel is the tallest building in Hong Kong. It is the purple part. If you're excited as I am, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. We got goodie bags from the hotel. There's a coloring book. There's a scavenger hunt map. I'm going to show you the scavenger hunt later in this video. There's a sticker, crayons, and a tag. Now we're going on a scavenger hunt. We're going to be going to the pool and gym on the 118th floor. The gym and pool are on the top floor of the hotel. We got a toy basketball as a gift. The gym has a lot of exercise equipment. After the gym, we went to the pool area. The pool is not very big, but it has an amazing view. There's a hot tub. We got our first stamp for the scavenger hunt.
Tell me the stamp you get. Ooh, got the first one. Which is the next stop?
Cafe, floor 103.
Okay, let's go.
And now we're going to the 103rd floor to visit the reception and the cafe. We got the stamps from the reception. The cafe is right next to the reception. And we got the stamp from the cafe. Now we're going to the arrival lobby on the 9th floor. The arrival lobby is the first place we arrive at the hotel. And then we collected the stamps from the arrival lobby. Now we're going to the 102nd floor to get our last stamp. The buffet restaurant is located there. After we got our last stamp from the scavenger hunt, we get free ice cream. I got chocolate ice cream. We also did a tour of the buffet restaurant. The restaurant also has an amazing view of the Hong Kong island. The buffet has a great selection of Eastern and Western food. They look really yummy. 12 hours later.
Cha-cha! Happy birthday!
We celebrated Mom's birthday and saw a light show. Thanks for watching. See you next time.